Understanding the phrase, God knows. Hello, dear learners. In today's lesson, we're diving into the phrase, God knows. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or heard it in daily conversations. What does it mean? Let's find out. God knows has a religious origin, implying that only a divine being or God truly knows the answer. It's rooted in the belief that there are certain things beyond human understanding, and only a higher power has the answers. For instance, why did it rain on my wedding day? God knows. Here, the speaker is expressing that they don't know why something happened, suggesting that only a higher power might have the reason. While the phrase has religious roots, it's commonly used in everyday English as an expression. When people say, God knows, they often mean, 1. I don't know, it's a way of saying you don't have the answer. 2. Where did I put my keys? God knows. 3. It's uncertain or unknown, highlighting the unpredictability or uncertainty of a situation. 4. God knows when the pandemic will end. 5. Emphasis, to stress the truth or extent of something. 6. God knows I've tried to help him. In all these uses, you don't have to be religious to use or understand the phrase. It's become a part of colloquial English. It's essential to be respectful when using phrases with religious origins. While God knows has become a common idiom, it's still tied to a concept of divinity for many. Avoid using it in places where it might be seen as mocking or disrespectful. For example, wrong. God knows why she wears that ugly dress. Better, I wonder why she wears that dress. And there we have it. Now you understand the phrase, God knows, and its different uses. Whether you're emphasizing a point, expressing uncertainty, or genuinely stating you don't know, this phrase can come in handy. Remember always to use it respectfully. Happy learning, and until next time.